doing a terrible job. All right, so got to do the oil change on my car. Y'all don't really need an intro to the video or whatever because y'all can see what's going on. He's doing a motor swap on his G. I got to do my oil change, the water trap, spark plugs. So let me run the AutoZone real quick. He told me he had enough oil for me, but he clearly doesn't. This don't take 6 minutes, so we'll see y'all in a second. Oil's required. About to start. Oil is still draining. As soon as that's done, then, you know, y'all know how oil change go. Just waiting on that. Dropped my plug. That shit was hot, but got the plug out, so about to clean it off, filter, and then we're done with the oil change pretty much. Just gotta put the new oil in, so yeah. Yeah, I know what you guys are thinking. This guy's a fucking clown. He's an idiot. Listen, all right? This is my first time jacking the car up with the new side skirts on. I'm tired, all right? Cut me a break. I already scared the shit out of myself. Literally, my stomach dropped to my ass, all right? So cool out on me. Y'all can make fun of me in the comments, though. Because that shit was funny. I'm stupid. Find the funnel, y'all. Bruh, do not work on your car tire. Almost snapped my fucking side skirt off. I heard the carbon start cracking, y'all. My fucking heart dropped. Almost done now. Had a bad day. I got to air my car up when I was pulling up the AutoZone. Started to put the car in drive. It's like the second time I've been there. I got some buckets earlier though, so I guess I'm just tired. Got some buckets, tired, just hot in the shop. I need to drink my water, but I'm using that to hold the camera up right now, so the links and the stunts I go through below. You could at least drop a like, bro. That's all I'm saying. But let me stop talking. About to drop this LS in my car. You already know. Alright, just reset the maintenance light for the oil tube. Trying to do the water trap real quick. Alright, that water trap is drained. It wasn't a lot of water in there, but just push down on the little spout. The water will come out and yeah, good. Alright, Water trap done. My car is filthy. But water trap done. It's my boy Kyle, our man. About to go see what they need to do to Dre's car. I think they got it started. Those swaps should be good. So his G might be. Damn, I got the hiccups. Fuck, his G might be coming home today too though. Damn. Alright, if I stand in there any longer while that's happening, I think I'm gonna get mesothelioma or something, bro. So, I guess that's the end of this part of the vlog. I'll see y'all in the next part. Alright, I'm doing a terrible job vlogging, but currently at the warehouse to pick up my secret package. I can't tell y'all. Be installing them and doing the reveal at the show this weekend at Tuner Evo, so make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna split the videos up, so the actual reveal at Tuner Evo will come first. You guys will see them there, and then you guys will see the install video afterwards. So, yeah, picking that part up right now. All right, so I'm in the GX today. Just picked up the package, so y'all can kind of see it. Can't show y'all too much, but on the way back home, about to be in traffic for a little. I hate traffic so much, but gonna go ahead and try and install the mod tonight. Still can't let y'all know what it is. I don't know which video this is going in, but gonna try and install the mod tonight. Gotta do a decent amount of stuff to get it on, so trying to hit up a couple of friends, see who could pull up and maybe help the boy out, because this is gonna take a minute trying to get all this work done. But we are on the way back home, so package is secured. Yes, sir.
The next day.
Yo, on the way back down to Virginia again, yo. We finished putting on the fenders last night. I didn't record a lot because we were tired. We didn't finish until like 3 a.m., yo. Like, hand drilled through the fucking carbon and shit. Like, a struggle. But I'm on my way back down there now because I gotta help my boy install some stuff on his car. They pulled up and helped me out, so I gotta go back down, help them out. I called out of work. I was not making it to work at 4 a.m. I couldn't do it. So I got about 30 minutes left. Meet back up with Zee, and then I'll see y'all there. We're heading to the shop after that. So yeah. What you about to do today?
Mystery box.
Mystery box?
Why get an ISF for Chris?
I had like 50 DMs because I posted on my story that I was parting out. And y'all spam me like some scavengers for parts. What are you getting next? What are you getting next? That's what I'm getting next. Fools. Actually, I'm upgrading to the 200T. Bigger blow-off valve and bigger turbo. 600 to the wheel on E85. Y'all not sharp.
Shout out 9 mesh.
They're not sharp. They're not sharp at all. That's what I'm getting right there. I thought my car was clapped. This nigga shit is way more clapped than mine, fool.
I've been telling this a day why he don't believe you.
Nah, my shit's still more clapped, bruh. No hood, bro. This is nuts.
You're not even lined up.
That shit's crooked as fuck.
Show the side of the car, fool.
Oh yeah, nigga was under attack, fool. You're clapped. Clap. Clap. Clap whip. Alright, we're actually about to do some work. Started peeling off the wrap on my boy Banana's car, so I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all up. Y'all can get the B-roll of us knocking this out. This man is trying to do bags, new wrap, tent. What else you trying to do?
Bag, tent, wrap. That's it, actually. But still,
And wheels, oh yeah. And he said we're gonna get all that done in 6 hours or some shit. That's just not fucking happening. We're about to be here all night. This is the second car we're trying to knock out and get ready for Tuner Evo. And y'all see how clapped this shit is, so wish us luck, I guess. I don't think we're making it. With the front.
I can never jack my car up like that. I'm a bitch.
Another all-nighter? Quitting. No more. Am I doing it right? Shit, I don't know. I'm a pussy. I went to someone else to get my shit installed, so I don't know.
Show you what we got now. Back left. You know what I'm saying? If you go over here, you go down a little bit. You see that, John? You see. Oops. Wrong side. You see that fan? Not a fan, but a vent. Ran that through there. Ran it up through here. Right up to here. And right into there. We got AirTech Stage 2 Plus. I believe so. Got the control arms in. All that shit ready to go. Next car needs a wrap. Before that, we're running all 4 lines on corners. Management. We're gonna do a management on the top of the trunk. And yeah, hopefully we're done with the air suspension by, what time was it? 12 a.m. What do you think? When do you think we're gonna be done with the air suspension?
2.
2?
Hour and a half.
1:30?
First air out. Hour and a half. First air out 2 o'clock.
I'd say.
Driving up your street with some slippers. If I catch you, use a fucking sleeper. We ain't got the same fucking whiskers.
All right.
Bottom side, right?
It's 5 a.m.
Yeah.
We got the fucking.
We was way off with our predictions, bro.
The fittings leaking on the airline connection to the fittings.
So not the side that connects to the strut, the side that the air hose connects into. It could be a bad cut on the air hose.
It wasn't straight.
It probably was, but it probably got dirt on it from rotting it over too. So we can pop it off.
Pop it off, cut it again, put it back in. That's the first thing we can do, bro. Where's the cutter?
Almost done with the bag. Still gotta wrap this shit.
Maybe I didn't push it in all the way.
Try that first. I want to go home, so let's get it. Calling it? You know what that means? Doesn't mean shit, just means we suck. That's all that means. With beat, yeah. Yes, sir. So what we gotta do to finish it? Cause it's like 95% done.
Y'all wait for the rap. Don't
It's the right height, by the way. It's the right height.
I'm not gonna lie.
I told you, bruh.
What?
We're gonna fix
What?
it.